So students, finally, I'm taking the last question separately because a lot of information is being asked over here. So just pay attention that the question is describe activities to show the thermal expansion of a solid, liquid and a gas. Explain expansion on heating and contraction on cooling. So just have a pencil and come to the page where the activities are discussed. Fine, you can mark it, and to make it more simplified, we will be writing the answer with the headings. So the first heading will be written as activity, make an arrow or a hyphen, then write down the thermal expansion of a solid. Fine. Now in 2-3 points we will explain the activity which is written in the book. Like the first point can go as place two wooden blocks of the same height in front of a wall. Then second point is that place a metal rod on the blocks so that one end of it is fixed to the wall. Third point, attach a paper pointer to a round pencil. Fourth point, place the pencil below the free end of the rod. Now, after these 4 points of the activity, give another heading in this particular expansion of solid is heating. Then make a hyphen or an arrow, write down the rod expands and the pencil and the pointer rotates. Okay, full stop. Then next line, write on the heading cooling, then give a hyphen or an arrow, then write down the rotation of the pencil and the pointer stops. Fine. So this is done with the expansion of the solid. Then gives the another heading, the thermal expansion of a liquid, right? So write down activity. Then the first point that you mark here in your book is fix a transparent straw to a narrow mouthed bottle filled with colored water to the brim, like you know. Then the second point is seal the mouth with a sealing paste. Fine, 2 points. Then give the heading heating, right? So what you will write here, the level of the water in the straw rises because water expands, full stop. Now give the heading cooling. So what will you write down? The water level in the straw falls as the water contracts on being cooled, full stop. Then comes the third C part, you can write down activity, then hyphen or arrow, the thermal expansion of a gas. Then the first point that here you can write is that fit an uninflated balloon to the mouth of a bottle. Fine. Now second point comes place the bottle in a pan containing water, full stop. Now comes the heading heating. So make a arrow or a hyphen, then you can write down the balloon gets inflated as the air in the bottle expands, full stop. And then comes the heading cooling, then write down the balloon gets deflated as the air in the bottle contracts, full stop. So we have discussed the thermal expansion in 3 states of matter, on heating as well as on cooling. We have seen the expansion and contraction also. So point wise, if you can write this answer, it will be very easy to summarize the concept. The diagrams are your choice, but I guess if you are having a time, once you can try for your knowledge, it will be helpful. So this finishes our exercises and I guess question answers as well for this particular chapter. So you have a lot of time to revise your first chapter very carefully, and you have a choice for a project which is given at the end of the chapter, that they have given an example of a solid as chalk, and then there are 3 major points like arrangement of molecules, intermolecular space and intermolecular force. So if you want to write for a liquid or a gas, you can make this table in your practice notebook and then give the details for other 2 states of matter. This your choice, but it will be a kind of revision also. Fine students, so just go through your these topics, answers and points to remember. So this will be done with your one full chapter. So next time we will start with your new chapter. Fine. Okay, students, take care.